Hello guys, this is Mohammad Abubakar. Welcome to my YouTube channel HDAMS Tech. Today I am going to show you how to merge disk space. If you find this video useful, kindly please share, comment, like and subscribe. On your keyboard, press Windows R together and type here comp mg.msc. This is the shortcut to open computer management, or else you can type from here computer management, or else right click on this PC and show more options and you can click manage also. So as of now it's open, so I will go to disk management. From here, see here I have here two hard disks, so I want to merge this both. Make sure before merging this one you remove the data from E drive, then I'm merging to D drive, this E drive. So I will delete this E drive, delete volume, yes. See, now you can see here it is showing unlocated. You can refresh here, it will be same, but there is no E drive. Now I will click here. Now I will right click on D drive and extend volume. Next, you can see here it's taking 102400 100 GB. Next, finish. You can see here it's increased the size and it's merged. Now you can refresh here, so you can see the size it's increased. This is the simple step to merge two drives together. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.